Hey everyone, welcome back to Content Exploring Resources. Today, we'll be exploring the PBS website, specifically the PBS Learning Media site. In this website, you can have access to every subject in different grade levels. You can browse by science, social studies, mathematics, English language arts, engineering and technology, health and physical education, preschool, the arts, and world languages. Additionally, you can also browse by grade. Today, we'll be focusing on the English Language Arts Center. On this page, you'll see that you can have access from everything to literature, history, science, and technical writing. Additionally, you can browse by grade, type, and relevance. The first one to come up is videos. In these videos, you can have content from literature books, all the way through history, like the Bozeman Trail, A Rush to Montana's Gold, a writing video for grades 3 through 8. You can also learn about Hank Williams, Billy Harley, and Arthur Davidson, and the Native American veterans and Wyoming's Native Americans. After videos, you can get on to the interactive lessons, where you can analyze themes, learn about implicit bias, and play a game called Newton's Triple Play, a baseball science. There are more interactive games underneath that, as well as lesson plans, media, and audio. On these audios, you can get poems, This Week in History, and more. There are additional images from the Trinity of American Architecture, reimagining a Buffalo landmark. It's revolutionary, and the change of the Light Brigade. There are documents such as a 360 interactive adventure for raptors, bats, and penguins. Along with this website, you can also get handouts, primary sources, and conclusions. When using this website, you also get a free access to all of the collections on the PBS website alone. All you have to do is follow the link and create your own account. I hope this website proves to be useful. See you next time. Bye.